Hi guys, I'm Tara and I'm here in Porters hosting an event called Pride at Porters, put together with Beacon's Forte and Porters Presents, which is basically an event for queer people celebrating queer creativity in music and poetry.
A little bit nervous at the beginning, but the crowd have been so inclusive and welcoming and friendly, and Porters is such a homely vibe anyway, so it was really easy to kind of just slip into things.
I mean, in particular tonight, obviously it's a Pride event, so supporting the queer community, there's a lot of artists in it, and it's really cool to be able to give that space to people who don't necessarily usually get that space. And just in general, the art scene in Cardiff is booming, and we wouldn't have been able to do it without the support that we've had.
I was really excited for this event. I've played at Porters before, but never at a specifically queer event. So it's really fun to be somewhere that I love so much. Because Porters is one of my homes. I'm here so often, so to have so many queer people in such a space that I love, it's really heartwarming.
I think there's a few people that, a lot of people that maybe feel like they can't express themselves in a certain way, and I feel like this place is the perfect place for people to come and, again, like I said, be themselves, and that's what it's all about.
I think it's forgotten that people are still fighting for their rights. So we need to have events like this to bring awareness and also just to celebrate who people are.
Queer people don't often get opportunities or access, especially in the local music scene. So we kind of have to create our own seat at the table, and this has been a perfect example of doing that and inviting a very diverse, roster of people to get involved. It's been brilliant.
Try to be yourself. It's never too late to be yourself. What really matters is that you find that happiness. And especially in Cardiff City, there will always be a crowd to support you.
Thank you guys for allowing us to occupy space as queer people. If you want to find out more about this, you can go onto beacons.cymru.